Happy Canada Day, refiners! Super excited to have you. I have a little bit of my Canada flags on, so we're all ready. So I want to say Happy Canada Day. We are in a beautiful country of Canada. The beauty of the country is that we celebrate other cultures. We are multicultural, so we celebrate. And part of the way that we have been so successful, or Canada, who's we, right, is that we have had strategy. So part of the strategy is also about protecting our mental health. So it's beautiful to be able to embrace other cultures, and we don't need to have a great knowledge about the other cultures, but it's nice to have a little bit of snippets here and there. So that's the way I feel about the positive mental health workshop coming up. So August 15th, as you can see, I'm getting ready. And I'll just give you a quick rundown on the agenda. The agenda is we're going to have welcoming, grounding, to say thank you to the Indigenous community. We're on their land. They've been so gracious, or very debatable, but we won't go there. They've been so gracious to share their land with us, and we appreciate them. So we will give a little shout out to that situation. I also want to I have a passport activity. So we're here, but we're going to be traveling. So we're going to be traveling in some different stations. That's flex, awareness, and identity. Reflect, which is truth and the cost of it. Move, to next and to better. So we'll have 3 stations set up. It's going to be a networking event like no other. We're going to intermingle with each other. We're going to get to know a little bit more about ourselves. We'll take a little bit of a breather, and then we'll go into our guided reflection flow, which will be a color and reflection exercise. So the themes of the conversations that we're going to have, and I will have you to think about and meditate upon your to next and to better. To next is advancement, to better is refinement. Theme 1, identity and truth. Who are you when no one is watching? We need to know that for ourselves as well. Theme 2, awareness and inner work. Fix yourself, learn yourself. That's where security comes from. So in that, some of the prompts that we're going to look at, what do I need to work on? What is the root of what I'm feeling? And theme 3, who's going to be the mistake might be the most important step you take. So what fear do I need to face? What am I ready to release? Right? So these are some of the explorations. And our last theme during the guided reflection tour of what we're going to be talking about is your presence is needed. It's super needed. Someone is waiting for you to show up. I'm waiting, guys. Do you know that? I am waiting for you. So happy Canada Day. We celebrate where we are. We celebrate where we're going, and just stay tuned. So check out the link, tammyservices.com/purchase your ticket. So purchase your ticket. I appreciate you. Bye, refiners. Happy Canada Day.